Staying true to your trading strategy is 99% of the trading game. So the reason most of the traders fail in trading is not because they're idiots. It's not because, there's a lot of successful people that enroll with 13 market moves because they have not been able to beat the market on their own. And there's probably 100 reasons why these traders failed on their own. And majority of the aspects basically has to do with sticking to the same strategy 100% of the time. So the topic of today's discussion is, how true are you to your trading strategy? Do you stay 100% of instances true to your trading strategy? Meaning, also, on a much bigger level, do you stay true to yourself? There's many things that are going to happen in your life. There's many things that are going to happen in your trading. And you cannot change your mind every time the market goes against you. Otherwise, you will never... you can catch a couple of scalps, but name a scalper that is highly successful. They can say, well, I made fucking $30 million trading. None of them. If you're a scalper, you fucking suck, okay? This is why if you're a scalper, you should pay very close attention to this message, because it's actually going to help you make some real money in the markets. A scalper is a guy that is like, well, I don't know where the fuck the market is going. I don't know where the fuck the stock is going. I just know it could possibly go higher for the next couple of minutes. So I'm just going to get in at 371. I'm going to get out at 372 and this fuck. Stop this kind of fucked up trading. Okay, if you're a scalper, you're not making any goddamn money. I fucking know it. Okay, so stop it. Like, there are days when the market is just not moving and people are texting me messages like, Leo, this is the perfect day to scalp. Fuck you. Okay, if you scalp, you will lose. You're not going to make any serious money. So why would you even waste your time? Okay, life is too fucking short to scalp. Okay, so identify some real trading opportunities in the market. The way we teach you to trade at 13 market moves, okay? Most of the trades that are going to make you 10x, 50x, 100x, they're not going to be the trades where you're going to jump in, stay in the trade for 2 fucking seconds, 2 minutes, 20 minutes, and jump out. That shit, in most instances, is not going to pay. Now, in case of crypto, if you missed some of the last videos, guys, on crypto, there's some crazy fucking trades that are available right now. And if you haven't signed up and taken advantage of those, guys, there's a potential 1000x trades that are developing right now. There's about 2 or 3,000. I'm saying 1000x. Can you even fucking say 1000x? Most of you fuckers, you can't even say 2x. Leo, I'd be happy if I made 20% today. That is exactly the fucking reason why you don't make any fucking real money as a fucking trader. Because you're happy to jump out when you're up 10, 20, 30%. You're like, Leo, oh my God, I made 30 fucking percent. Fuck you. That makes you a loser in the fucking market. You know why? That makes you a loser in the market because you're not managing a $500 billion fund. Now, 30% a day on that shit would be something. You're managing fucking $2,000, $5,000, fucking 30, 100K. What's 30% of that? That's fucking nothing, okay? You can't do shit with that kind of money these days. So if that's your goal, guys, I'm sorry. Fucking unsubscribe. Go research some other channels that teach you how you can make safely 6-7% a day. This is not what 13 Market Moves is about. Okay, 13 Market Moves is about staying true to your fucking strategy 100% of the time. There's going to be some losers along the way, but once you nail that trade 10x, 50x, 100x, it is a result of your conviction in the fucking market, which is what most of the traders lack. The reason why traders change their fucking mind because they paid so much fucking attention to the news. Oh my God, Leo, this guy's tweeting this. Oh my God, in this Twitter page, they're saying this. Who gives a fucking shit what they're saying? What do you think about the fucking market? What do you think? And what do you base your opinion about the market? What do you base it on? Is it based on you following a bunch of Twitter pages? Is it based on you following a bunch of fucking YouTube channels? Is it based on, something, that is not, like, you cannot quantitatively elaborate in a single sentence? Well, fuck, that would be the reason why your account is not going anywhere. You don't have a strategy, you don't have a formula, you don't have quantitatively saying, Leo, I'm looking at this, and this. This is why I'm bullish for the next goddamn 72 hours. Or, Leo, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at 13 fucking things, Leo. This is why I'm bearish. If you cannot point out the reasons, if your reasons why you're bullish or fucking bearish simply boils out to, well, Leo, there's just a lot of people are bearish right now. A lot of people are fucking bullish. Who gives a shit? Okay, that explains why you're not making any fucking real money. That explains why, your conviction in the market is so fucking low that you want to jump in, out of the trade as soon as you fucking put one on. I don't understand guys that they take a trade and the moment the trade goes green, they're out of it. Like, why did you even fucking take the trade? Did you make the trade? Take the trade to fucking make $50, $100? Like, why are you doing this? Why are you spinning wheels? Why are you wasting your fucking time? There is a lot of money to be made in the fucking stock market. There is a shitload of money to be made in the stock market by trading weekly options. So for some of you that are listening to this message, maybe new to the channel, or maybe you've been listening to some of these messages, but you've been fucking up a lot of trades simply because, the number one shocker why not people fuck up trades, on some simple, basic, clear ideas that we present here at 13 Market Moves channel is because they can't stay with the goddamn trade. They can't follow the trade. Or instead of following the same day expiration, they go in because they're trying to be safe. Motherfucker, you don't go into the stock market because you're trying to be safe. You go into the stock market because you love fucking challenge. Because you want to beat 99% of the market participants that are participating in this trade game every goddamn day. So, and this is Sunday. So I'm going to try to refrain some other, this is Pastor Lear preaching trading on Sunday. So I'm going to refrain from some language, as some of you, may not be 100% consent with. But guys, I don't know how else to get it through some of your skulls. I don't know how to explain it. Once you got to get a good thing going, you don't get out. Once you got a good trade on, you don't jump out the moment the trade turns green. That's what is, an experienced scalper does because he's happy to make a fucking $100 a day. If you understand the reasons why in a trade, if you understand the reasons why you take the trade, it does not guarantee that the trade is going to go perfectly within the time frame where you're taking the trade, but what that means is you actually thinking. You actually have a strategy. You are actually on top of your fucking game. And if you actually thinking and you're on top of your fucking game and you follow the same strategy 100% of the motherfucking time, you will beat the market. Anyone listening to this message, the number one failure of all traders is they become the market's bitch. I don't want you to be the market's bitch. Hold your fucking ground. Understand why you're taking the trade. Understand why you're taking the trade now. Understand why you're taking this expiration. Understand why you're taking this strike. And if you don't have a fucking clue why you're taking this expiration, why you're taking the strike, why you're buying calls, why you're buying puts, if it's all based on the fucking hype that's happening in the news, you will never beat the fucking market. I guarantee it. If you jump out of the winning trade too fucking early, you will never make millions in the market. So why fucking do it? Here's a moment of truth. probably like goddamn 80% of you that are watching this channel, okay, I want you to fucking quit right now because you're not going to beat the market. Okay, you've been doing this shit. You've been putting money in the market. You've been fucking draining your fucking accounts, and you still have not beat the fucking market because you were too embarrassed to call 13 market moves, okay, when your account was at 200,000. Now you want to call us when your account is at fucking 2,000. Now, even if that's the case for you, which is a lot of traders end up contacting 13 market moves because like, well, Leo, you're my last fucking hope. Yeah, where the fuck were you when you had 200K in your account? You want to contact me when your account is down to 2K because now you got to fucking, oh, well, Leo, help me make $198,000 on my fucking losses. Yeah, okay, motherfucker, let's do it. But guess what that motherfucker does? I give him a trade for $2,000. He ends up putting 200 in it because the bitch is so fucking scared that he's going to lose his last 2,000. That is the number one reason traders fail. I give you a good fucking trade and you can't grab your balls and put $2,000 in it. Quit. Just fucking quit. Just quit the goddamn market. Go fucking do something else. If you don't have the balls to put $2,000 in a motherfucking trade, what the fuck are you doing in the goddamn stock market? You like being a bitch? You want to be a stock market bitch because that's what you are if you can't fucking put $2,000 in a motherfucking trade. Loud and clear. Let's move on. So, some of you be like, Leo, I don't have a problem to put $2,000 into a trade. It's just the problem is like, I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be the one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put 2K in my account again, fucking take another trade. That's why I'm being a scared little bitch. I get it. But if you want to beat the stock market, you have to follow the same goddamn strategy every fucking time. And you got to be ready. So, I mean, if $2,000 is all you got in the last goddamn 10 years, I don't know how would that be possible. I mean, if you're living being... I mean, you got to be able to put together some more money than that. But like, let's say that's all you got, then you know, put 1K into the trade. I mean, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. If all you got to do is put 2K in the stock market, and you expect the very first trade to go 30x, I mean, I have a fucking some bad news for you. That trade may not work. Okay, the next one may not work. The one after that may not fucking work. So, I mean, you need to have some skin in the game, okay? You don't go and open a business, expect to be fucking profitable the first fucking month. Why do you expect to be profitable the first fucking month in options trading? Especially weekly options, okay? But the point of this conversation, guys, is just to say this. Okay, you can beat the market. You just got to pick one thing, stick with it, and fucking do it consistently again over time. And you cannot miss one fucking bit. You cannot miss a fucking trade. You miss one fucking trade that goes fucking 100x, okay, that makes you from 2K to 200, but you're toast. You're toast. And I have to go very far back to give you some very recent examples on where traders that have traded with me and we're betting against the market because it just won't break above 4,200. It won't break above 4,200. So the perfect day to short the goddamn market is the moment the market actually breaks above 4,200 on S&P 500 futures. And we don't go much higher. We go like 30 points, 27 points higher. All right. And this is the moment I'm like, this is it, motherfuckers. Short the goddamn market now. And this is the moment, like, these traders, like, Leo, but it looks so fucking bullish, but it looks like we're breaking out high. We got fucking, who knows, we're going to 4,300, 4,500. I'm like, hold your ground, motherfucker. Hold it. This is how you beat the market. This is how you make the big money. Okay, so Thursday, we had the market shooting up higher. And that was right before I posted the message like, hey, we got a perfect head and shoulder. I said, hey, the market could move slightly higher, but it cannot move substantially high from here. So therefore, anytime it fucking moves high, you short the bitch. Okay? And so the market goes slightly above the level that I have pointed out in the video. And everyone is like, oh my God, Leo, I can't take this shit no more. Don't be the bitch at the wrong moment. Don't be the fucking bitch at the wrong moment. This is how you miss a goddamn 30x trade, 100x trade. You surrender at the wrong moment of the market and you lose. All this time you've invested trading the fucking market, you lose this golden opportunity. You fucking lose it because you can't see straight, okay? You don't even know what the fuck you're looking at. And, I mean, I've said in the multiple videos, if you want to know what the fuck you're looking at, you take all of our courses, you take the fucking bundle, you study the shit out of it, okay? You take notes, you post shit in your refrigerator, you review stuff, you live and breathe what we teach you here at 13 Market Moves. You got a shot to beat the market. Doesn't mean you're going to beat it every day. It means that you will beat the fucking market. And do you know how many people never beat the fucking market? So if you beat the market, that makes you the 1 fucking percent of the guys that got the fucking balls to do it. Because most of the bitches that will jump out too early, okay, most of the bitches, they'll never take the fucking trade because they're going to come up with excuses why not to take a winning trade. Okay, most of the people will never put enough money into a trade that's going to go fucking 30x. And they're going to sit, whine, bitch, and complain because they're going to take the next trade right after the 30x trade that's not going to do shit. And they're going to sit, whine, and bitch about, whoa, Leo 13 Market Moves doesn't work. Well, I'm telling you, it works for people that follow it 100% every goddamn day, that people study it, dedicate their lives to it, and fucking stay true to the studying of the fucking market. They beat it. They become great. Now, the number right now is not in the hundreds. I cannot say that we got hundreds of traders that have gone million plus. But by the end of this year, I may be able to say that. I may be able to record a video on December 31st, 2023 and say, hey, 13 Market Moves helped 100 guys that have located their fucking balls to go from nothing to a million plus utilizing 13 Market Moves. And you're going to be listening to that video because the probability of that video of me actually posting it at the end of the year is fucking, it's a high probability. I would say the probability of us here at 13 Market Moves taking 100 guys to a million plus by the end of 2023 is probably about 76.8%. So you can trade on your own. You can fucking take all of our courses and fucking have a 76.8%, even if you start right now, to take your account from wherever the fuck you are, and you could be at 100K, you could be at 1,000. Okay, to me, okay, it doesn't make sense, okay, whether you have 100,000 or 1,000. To me, what makes sense is a guy that studies the whole fucking program, follows it 100% of the time. That's the guy that has a chance of 76.8% to be at a million plus. Doesn't matter where you're at. $1,000 right now, 100,000. Okay, a lot of other training programs, though, but you got to have this much, you got to have this much. None of this shit matters. It's complete bullshit, guys. The amount of money you have right now absolutely doesn't fucking matter. The only thing that matters, does the amount of money that you have right now goes after some killer fucking trades. And I'm telling you right now that we're about to confront some of the best trades I've seen in the last 6-7 years. This is the kind of opportunity we have. Some of you will fucking retire. Some of you will probably become a coach here at 13 Market Moves. And you'll never ever have to be stuck in goddamn traffic in Los Angeles for another free fucking hours ever in your entire lifetime. Some of you will fucking say, I get it. I get the 13 market moves. I get it. This is not about fucking scalping. This is not about making $100 a day. This is about making it fucking big. This is about making it fucking huge. This is about staying true to yourself. This is about fucking doing what 99% of the people will never fucking do. So, there's a moment in the market where things look like they're just not going anywhere. There's things in the market where it just doesn't look like anything you try works. It doesn't matter if you're going with calls, you're going with puts, you're going with spreads. Fuck all this shit, okay? And that's the moment where most of the people say, fuck it, I've had enough, I'm done, okay? So in the last Thursday, Friday, we had people that were like, Leo, I can't short the market, it's going higher. And I'm sending them messages in an alert group on a fucking Friday when the market is at like 42.27. 42.27, I'm like, y'all motherfuckers short it now. This is it. This is the point. This is the fucking time, and do it fucking now. Well, Leo, but I can't. But I just, in the last couple of trades, I got killed. I don't know if I can take this. And this is the fucking bullshit that I'm talking to you about today. Stay true to the strategy 100% of the time. Meaning, okay, you put 1K into every time 13 market moves, okay? Outlines a strategy for you, okay? After 100 outcomes, you will be the winner. The market cannot touch you. You're like a holy ghost of trading. Hey, that's not a bad idea. I may retitle the channel to the Holy Ghost of Trading, because that's what we are here at 13 Market Moves. Untouchable. If we take 100 instances of trades, there's so many trades that will go 30x, 40x, 100x, okay? It makes some of these fucking losers that we take, and yeah, we take a good number of losing trades here because we are targeting timing. And if you are a trader and you listen to a bunch of people out there, on the public media, they'll tell you like, yeah, but, the safest strategy, the strategy we utilize is we go long-term. We go long-term because, long-term, the market always goes higher. And you got to be listening to these fucking idiots, okay? And the reason why they say they only go long-term, we have a horizon of 10, 20 fucking years. Well, no shit. Okay, you cannot, of course the stocks are going to be higher 20 years from now, okay, simply because the dollar's got a goddamn collapse. Okay, so in terms of inflation, of course, all the stocks are going to be way higher priced in dollar denomination than what they are today. So you can't say, well, this stock was 200, now it's fucking 400. Okay, yeah, you cannot go wrong because, okay, of multiple factors that are taking place. Okay, there's always inflation. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower, but there's always inflation going on. Okay, I mean, the can of Coke 50 years ago was fucking 5 cents. Now it's $2. Like, that's your inflation if you want to take a quick measure. But the point is, okay, of course, stocks are going to be higher, but nominally, if we devalue the currency and everything that's fixing to take place, no, they're not going to be much higher in relation to the value of the dollar. It's just the inflation happens, so the prices are going to be higher. The stocks prices could be higher. It doesn't mean you're going to make money on stocks. And that's a whole nother subject. If you're confused about that, just make sure that you get in touch with the 13 Market Move Coaching. Talk to us about this shit today. But as a whole, okay, the probability of the market dropping from here is 90%. The probability of the market pumping slightly high is 10%. We're not going to go and bet in the direction of a 10% probability outcome. Now, you know, some of our favorite trades are fucking Bitcoin calls, crypto. Like recently I posted a video about 1,000x crypto trades. Guys, if you're not participating in those, then don't blame anyone but yourself a year from now. Well, Leo posted, this video about 1,000x trade, but I thought like, well, maybe I just wait. Like, don't blame anyone but yourself, because you're not clicking the button right now where you should be like, goddamn, fucking 13 market moves. Give me this fucking 1,000x trade. I want to be a part of this shit. I don't want to be the part of this idiot club on Wall Street that thinks that industrial stocks are going to outperform. Okay? Like, look, there is rotation in stocks that happen all the time, but guys, I mean, it's clear that the recession is coming. Okay, during the recession, nobody's going to be a winner. Okay, the winner is going to be the short seller. So learn the skills of being a short seller. Learn how to short the fuck out of these stocks. While the average strategy on Wall Street is like, well, what do we buy? Where is the bull market? Jim Cramer's like, I promise you to find a bull market somewhere. Who gives a shit about the bull market if you make so much more on the short side? Like, who wants that kind of shit? Why would you want to be the one fucking idiot looking for a bull market where everything is a goddamn bear market? With the exception of maybe crypto and some things, because it's got a legitimate case to go higher. I don't mean like every coin, but there's some coins that can do exponentially fucking insanely well. So be a part of this. Be a part of it. Don't just be following the channel, listening to some videos, catching some ideas here and there. Well, Leo, that was a great one. You told us to short the fucking solar stocks and they dropped fucking 40% since you posted some of the videos on them. Yeah, we nailed that shit. Okay, of course we did. We're 13 market moves. We're the motherfucking best out there. Okay, as a matter of fact, I've turned down recently a few Wall Street propositions. I basically said to them, look, guys, you can go fuck yourself. Okay, I don't have time to be running no hedge fund. I don't have time to be doing this. Look, I don't want to be a part of Wall Street. I'm not Wall Street. Okay, I'm a guy that follows 13 market moves. I have created 13 market moves, and on instances where the market conditions match our 13 market move strategy, I have helped at this point dozens of people make $1 million plus, and my goal is to help a lot more. My goal is to, guys, this year's 44 people, but hey, altogether by the end of this year, we may have 100. So don't miss out. Like, if you're struggling with your trading, if you're that fucking scalper, get off this bullshit, please. Okay, get off of it now. You're not gonna look. You want to be a trader for real? Catch some big moves. The big fucking wave is here. It is here, guys. Next 72 hours, some of you will be catching the big fucking wave. You know whether this is your time or not. I only want to talk to the guys who really think and believe that this is your time to catch the big wave. If that's you, call us right now. I don't care what time of the day it is. Midnight, fucking 4 a.m. Guess what? Someone here at 13 Market Moves is up, and we will talk to you right now and get you going in the direction of making your dreams come true. As a matter of fact, the next level for 13 Market Moves is to say, well, hey, we've taken 20 guys that went above 10 mil. So get your thinking up. Give us a call today. Let's roll. I'll catch you guys in the next video soon. Don't miss the next 72 hours of trading. Let's go.